Assembling an appliance cabinet. Before you start assembly, collect all of the required parts for your goFlatpacks product. Remember to look at the labels on the parts to help you determine which ones you need. Start assembly of your goFlatpacks appliance cabinet by gluing the top inside edge of the right side panel. Lift up your top panel and once in place, square off with your side panel. Your edges are flush before screwing your panels together. Repeat the same process for the left side panel. Flip your appliance carcass over so that you can work on the back side. The bare edges of the cabinet will be facing upwards. Glue along the edge of the back of the carcass and place the back panel on top. Square up edges, wipe away any excess glue and screw together. Start by screwing along one side of the back panel, then along the adjacent side to square your cabinet carcass. Finish by affixing the remaining screws. Congratulations! Your goFlatpacks appliance cabinet carcass is complete.